Today I'm making a Ninja Creamy Mango Coconut Ice Cream. And this one uses coconut milk in a can as the base, which makes it incredibly creamy. Let's get started. Give the mango lime a try. I put some whipped topping on it. There's lots of lime in there. Delicious. You're gonna like this. If you like mango and lime, you're gonna love it.